In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add actions in Glide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can make your app do things, not just display information. Actions in Glide are what trigger tasks, like opening a link, navigating to another screen, or updating data. So they're essential for building a smooth, interactive experience. First, head over to the Glide website and sign in. Use your existing account and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace so you see the projects you expect. Once you're in, give the page a second to fully load. Having everything loaded cleanly helps the editor respond quickly as you add components and actions. Next, open the project you want to edit. If you have multiple apps or pages, take a moment to confirm you're opening the right one. You'll land in the Glide editor, where the preview sits on one side and the configuration panels on the other. Make sure you're on the screen or tab where you want the action to live so the change appears exactly where you need it. Now, look for the Components panel and click the Add icon. It usually appears as a plus sign and opens the component picker. This is your library of building blocks. You'll see items for layout, media, data display, and interactivity. If your panel is collapsed, just expand it so you can see the full list. Keeping this panel open makes it easier to experiment and quickly try different options. Scroll down to the Actions section. This is where Glide groups the interactive components designed to do something when a user taps or clicks. You'll notice these aren't just visual elements. They're built to perform a function, like navigating, sharing, or updating content. As you scroll, pay attention to the brief descriptions under each item so you understand what each action does at a glance. Finally, choose the action you want to add. Click the one that fits your goal. For example, you might pick an action that opens a link, navigates to another screen, sets a column value, or triggers a notification. When you select it, Glide places it into your layout, and you'll see it appear in the preview. This immediate feedback is helpful because you can confirm the action is in the right place and aligns with the rest of your design. That's all there is to it. Sign into Glide, open your project, click the Add icon in Components, scroll to Actions, and choose the action you want. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.